Today I'm going to teach you 10 easy and useful Finnish phrases that you can use in Finnish conversation with your Finnish buddies, and these are also in spoken Finnish, so you really sound like a true Finn when using these. Let's go check them out. What's up, Fantastics? Welcome to a new video. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Aleksi and I create fantastic videos about Finnish culture, lifestyle and language, or if you're into those kind of things, subscribe because you will join our fantastic squad. And before we jump to the phrases, I want to quickly give you a tool that will help you get better at speaking Finnish. Because this video is done in collaboration with italki. And italki is one of the best sites to find a language partner to practice those speaking skills. Because speaking Finnish with the native Finn is easily the best way to learn faster. And why italki is actually really good? Well, first of all, because finding Finnish people in your area might be really challenging, but here on this platform you can find a number of Finnish tutors who can help you with spoken Finnish and improving your speaking language and gaining confidence on speaking Finnish. You can also schedule the lessons suitable to your calendar, so you don't really have to be on the mercy of some Finnish classes that start on set time, because you can always choose the time that fits for you. And you can take the lessons anywhere. It doesn't matter if you're in the Americas or in Asia. All you just need is a smartphone or a computer and you're good to go. And you can take those lessons on your bed or on your sofa. And I have also a special bonus for you. If you hit the link in the description, create an account, and when you buy your first lesson, you get a $10 credit bonus. So when you buy a lesson, you get another one for free. Pretty good stuff, right? So if you want to turbo boost your Finnish skills, check out italki and start speak Finnish like a boss. And let's start with the phrase number 1, and that is simple. Mä oon Aleksi. Mä oon Aleksi. So really simple. In some Finnish classes they usually teach like minä olen Aleksi or minä olen Jesse. But that's kind of standard Finnish and that doesn't sound very smooth and natural at all in regular Finnish conversation. So you want to use this mä oon. So these are basically these spoken Finnish forms of minä olen. And then you just add your name. Mä oon Aleksi. So you can just say moro, mä oon Aleksi, or moro, mä oon Jesse, or moro, mä oon Pekka. Really simple and straightforward. And the phrase number 2 is miten menee or mites menee. And this is very simple. This is just like how you doing in Finnish, in spoken Finnish. And this literally actually means how's it going. And in spoken Finnish we tend to add the letter S to the question word. You can also say mites menee. It's a little bit more casual on the side, but completely useful and very natural, so you can ask your Finnish buddy like, hey, mites menee? Very simple and very powerful and very Finnish. Phrase number 3, this is very useful. You can just say musta plus statement. Okay, what does this mean? So this means I think and statement. So for example, I can say musta tää paita on aika siisti, or musta sä oot söpö, or musta tuo jätkä on aika komea. Something like this. So you can just add musta, which means in this context I think, and then you can just add any statement. And this is very simple and very Finnish way to say I think blah blah blah. There might be some people thinking, doesn't musta mean black? Well, actually it does mean, but musta is a shortened spoken Finnish form of the word minusta, which means kind of like from me. But in natural Finnish this means I think. So you can say musta blah blah blah, and this is very Finnish, very spoken Finnish, and you can use this to express your thoughts on something. Start using that, it's good. Phrase number 4, very useful again. Yksi Kaalia Chaos. Alright, so what does this mean? And you can use this to order anything anywhere in Finland. So you just say yksi, which is a spoken variation form of the word yksi, which means one, and then you just add the item you want to order in its basic nominative form, and then say kiitos. For example, yksi Kaalia Chaos, 1 beer please, or yksi lippu kiitos, 1 ticket please, or yksi kahvi kiitos, 1 coffee please. Very simple, very powerful, and you can start use this right away. And like I said, you just put the item you're ordering in nominative form. You don't have to use partitive or any other conjugations, just the simple basic form, and that's why this is very powerful and useful. Start using that. Number 5, missä päin on asema? Another very easy and useful phrase. This you can use when you are looking for a certain place. So missä is where, and you can also say missä päin. Missä päin means like which way. You can for example say anteeksi, missä on asema, or anteeksi, missä päin on asema. Like if you ask me, to me missä päin sounds a little bit more like, it sounds a little bit more natural, because if you just say missä on asema, it's like where is the station. But in Finnish it comes maybe a little bit too forward, like where's the station? But if you say missä päin, it means like which way. So to me it sounds a little bit, it doesn't come off too strong, especially if you're just asking some random Finn about this. But you can use definitely both, but my advice is to say missä päin. It's probably just a small personal preference, but that's just how I feel. And again, you just put the place you're looking for in its nominative form. Missä päin on asema? Missä päin on hyvä ravintola? Or missä päin on lähin yökerso? If you're looking for some nightclub action, you can just put the place in its nominative form and boom, very simple and straightforward. Again, and you can start use this right away. No other conjugations needed or grammar whatsoever. Number 6, this is very simple. En tarvi kuittia, kiitos. So, because every time in Finland when you buy something, the cashiers are always asking, do you want the receipt? And for example, I don't really collect the receipts from everyday items like groceries or whatever, unless it's like a piece of electronic equipment where you also get the guarantee on the receipt, so then it's important. But if you're just doing like regular shopping and you don't need the receipt, because they always say like kuittia or haluatko kuitin, tarvitko kuittia, but you can just say en tarvi kuittia, kiitos. This just means that I don't need the receipt, thank you. Let's quickly check out this phrase word by word. So en is kind of like this negative verb which you need always when you are forming a negative verb in Finnish. Tarvi is the spoken variation of the word tarvitse. So in standard Finnish you would say en tarvitse kuittia, but very spoken and very natural way is to say en tarvi kuittia, kiitos. En tarvi kuittia, kiitos. And kuitti is receipt and kuittia is in partitive form of the word kuitti. But because you always use this phrase in this way, so you don't really have to kind of worry about what was the conjugation, because if you just learn that en tarvi kuittia, kiitos is okay, that's all you need to know, and very easy. And when you go to shopping, you just say en tarvi kuittia, kiitos, and you'll be good to go. And you don't have to collect those receipts all the time that fill your wallet. Good stuff. Phrase number 7, very simple and very useful again. Pitkästä aikaa. And this means just long time no see. Okay, now we can actually start building some conversation. For example, if you see your Finnish buddy after a long time, you say morjesta, pitkästä aikaa, miten menee? So we learned miten menee before, so now we can just start combining these phrases and we are already starting a small conversation here. Good stuff. This one doesn't have any spoken variations on it actually, because you can just use this in standard Finnish, or let's just say that in standard Finnish it's the same pitkästä aikaa and it's the same in spoken Finnish. So no big differences here, but again, very useful in Finnish whatsoever. Number 8, very useful again. Mennään or lähdetään. And this means just let's go. And this again very useful. So if you're hanging out with your Finnish buddies and you're heading out for restaurants or bars or whatever, and when you're supposed to, oh, it's time to go, so you say lähdetään or mennään. And actually there's another small trick so which you can use to improve your spoken Finnish, because sometimes in spoken Finnish we drop out these D's. So let's have a look at the word lähdetään. But for example, what I especially tend to say is lähetään. 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 So I drop the D from the lähdetään to make it sound a little bit more spoken. And if your Finnish buddies are slow and like it's taking like a decade for them to start going, you say lähetään jo, lähetään jo. Jo means kind of already, so this means let's go already. Lähetään jo, like come on guys, let's go, lähetään. So you can use both of these, lähetään or mennään. Maybe I would use lähetään, it's just personal preference again, but both are perfectly fine to say let's go. Number 9, very useful again, you can say ihana or siisti paita. And this is very quick and powerful way to give a quick compliment to your Finnish friends or maybe a sexy Finnish guy or girl you're talking with. So this means ihana means lovely and siisti means kind of like a cool. So in Finnish, siisti, in standard Finnish, siisti means kind of like tidy, but in spoken Finnish we use it as of cool. So, and again you just add the ihana or siisti and then the item you're complimenting on in its basic form. No other conjugations, partitive or whatever, not needed at all. So for example you can say ihana hame, lovely skirt, or siisti paita, cool shirt, or siisti kämppä, cool apartment, and so on. Very simple. And quick power tip, if you have multiple things, so if the thing you're complimenting on is in plural, for example, if you want to say nice shoes, you have to put the ihana or siisti in plural form, and you can just say siistit, for example, siistit kengät, cool shoes, or If you want to say lovely shoes, you say ihanat kengät to make it plural in this case. But again, very simple. So in singular you say siisti kämppä, and if it's in plural you say siistit kengät, cool shoes, good stuff. Whatever you're complimenting on, you can just insert in its basic form. So no other conjugations needed. Keep that in mind. Good stuff. We are learning so much in this one. One random bonus sentence what I want to teach you in this one. Mä oon metsuri ja juon kaljaa. And what does this mean? This means I'm a lumberjack and I drink beer. And what you probably guys say, what the hell, Alex, you're teaching? Like, what the hell? Is this really useful? Well, it is useful in that sense that it's very random. And if you say this to some Finnish buddies you just met, I'm pretty sure you will make them laugh with this sentence. So, of course, this is not like an everyday phrase that you would use all the time, but this is just to kind of give you some fun phrases that you can say to your Finnish buddies. Because, for example, when I was learning Japanese, I was learning always these kind of random but correct phrases to make the conversations funny and see how the Japanese people react. So you can use the same thing. So, mä oon is I am, which we learned in the beginning of this video. Metsuri is lumberjack. Ja is and. Juon is I drink. And kaljaa is beer in its partitive form. So you can just use like mä oon metsuri ja juon kaljaa. Guys, here's an action point. Try to say this to your Finnish buddies and see how they react. Let me know in the comments how they react. I would love to see this one. So if you really want to improve your spoken Finnish skills, make sure to check out the italki link in the description. And also join our fantastic squad by hitting the subscribe button so you will get more awesome Finnish videos in the future. Have a great day. See you in the next video. So, moro.